In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Vantage app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to select your account. Currently, I'm on my demo account right now. And then you want to go to the Market tab down in the bottom. And in here, you want to first find whatever you would like to trade. So I'm just going to go into crypto over here. And I'm actually going to select Bitcoin USD, which is the first option up top, just for this tutorial. Now, here you can see at the bottom, there's the sell and buy buttons. And of course, in the middle, you have basically your chart. Up top, you can see your analysis. You can see orders, info, stuff like that. So you can read that if you want to. And of course, you could go back in time on a chart. You could change your chart, maybe do some technical analysis, stuff like that. Of course, completely up to you. Now at the bottom, you can see again the sell and buy button, and above it, it says standard. Now, if it's on one tap right now, like this, make sure to switch over to standard because, of course, that's kind of the standard view, and usually you're going to be using this one. Of course, you can use one tap if you want to, but I'm going to showcase the standard one right now. So to actually trade, you want to simply first tap on buy or sell, whichever you want to do. And then up top, again, you'll be able to either buy or sell. You'll be able to swap whichever one you want to do. Now, here you have to select which type of order you want. You have either market, limit, stop, or stop limit. So I'm going to go with market, but of course you have limit orders where you can basically set prices whenever you want to actually purchase or sell. And then you have stop and stop limit orders as well. And then here, this is going to fill at market price. But if I put on, for example, limit, you can select your limit price where you actually want to purchase your asset, okay? Again, I'm going to go to market right now. There we go. You can then go and select the volume you want to purchase. As you can see, currently it's in lots, but of course you could do in your currency as well. So for example, I'm just going to put it over to GBP because that's my currency, and I'm just going to purchase, as you can see, that much right now on my screen. So of course, again, you could do whichever one you want here, and that way you'll be able to purchase. And down here at the bottom, you'll be able to see how much you're actually buying. Now here, you can of course set a take profit or stop loss as well by tapping the check mark. You can put in your take profit, stop loss, whatever you want to do, and then just tap on the buy button at the bottom, and that's basically going to give you this pop-up, and you can just tap on confirm at the bottom if you're fine with that, and your order is basically going to get filled and it's going to go through. The same thing goes if you're actually trying to sell. So with the top, switch over to sell. The other things are pretty much the same. You just have to tap on the sell button, confirm it, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So that's how to trade on the Vantage app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.